This is Rebecca Hall. I'm here at Century Communities in Hiddenbrooke, located in Seguin, Texas. We are located off of 46, which is 1.5 miles from I-10 and 9.5 miles from 35. Here in Hiddenbrooke, we're going to have a total of 500 homes once the whole community is built out. It's a great community. We have a variety of floor plans starting at 1,400 square feet, going up to 2,400 square feet. We have walking trails, and then we have 2 playgrounds and a soccer field. So we would love to take you on a tour of Hiddenbrooke. We'd love to see you out this weekend. Come on out.